Hi friends, welcome to our class. In this class, we are going to learn about the journal. What is journal and proforma of a journal? So first, what is journal? In the first stage of double entry system, each transactions are recorded in the journal or subsidiary books. So a journal is a book in which an accounting transaction is written in accounting terms. That means according to debit credit rules. Journal is called as book of original entry or book of primary entry, as all transactions pertaining to a business are first entered in this book. In journal, transactions are entered in the chronological order. That means in the sequence in which they happened. So the process of recording the transaction in the journal is called journalizing, and the entry made in journal is called journal entry. So the process of recording the transaction in the journal is called journalizing, and the entry made in the journal is called journal entry. This is about the journal. And next, proforma of a journal. So proforma of journal is like this. They have 5 columns are there. One is date and particulars, LF number, that means ledger folio number, debit amount, credit amount. So once again, there are 5 columns are there. One is date column, second one is particulars column, third one is ledger folio number. Ledger folio number. Ledger folio number. Next column, debit amount, credit amount. So these 5 columns are there in journal book. So in date column, the date on which the transaction is taking place is written in this column. The year and month is written only once in the beginning. For example, 2021 January 1st. Like this, we written date in the date column. And next, particulars column. In this column, the name of the account to be debited is written in the first line, and the name of the account to be credited is written in the second line, prefixed with to, and explanation of the transaction for which the entry is recorded is written briefly in brackets, known as narration. So first of all, we record in the first line, we written in the first line as a debit account. For example, one transaction is there: purchased goods for cash. So in this transaction, two aspects are there: purchase account and cash account. So purchase is a real account. Why? Because we purchased goods. That's why it's a goods or assets. That's why it's a real account. So cash also real account. When we purchased goods, goods will comes into the business. According to real account, what comes in, that will be debit. And cash, when we purchased goods for cash, cash will goes out from the business. So according to real account, what goes out, that will be credit. So here we should debit account, we write debit account in the first line. That means purchase account debtor. We must put DR represent the debit aspect. So next, in the next line, we should return credit aspect with prefix to. With prefix to. So what is the credit aspect here? Cash account. So to cash account. To cash account. In third line, in brackets, we have to write a brief explanation about the entry. So being goods purchased for cash. Like this, we have to write a brief explanation about the entry. This is called narration. This brief explanation about the entry in brackets is called narration. So after completing the entry, we should draw a line for particular column. And next, LF number column. Ledger folio means page of the ledger in which the entry is posted. That is ledger folio number. And next, debit amount column. In this column, the amount to be debited is written against the debit entry. For example, purchased goods for cash, amount is 5,000. So in that case, we should post the amount, we should write the amount against the debit line, in debit amount column, 5,000. Next, credit amount column. In this column also, we should write the amount, credit amount against the credit line in credit column, 5,000. So in debit amount column, we should write the amount, debit amount against the debit line. And in credit amount column, we should write the amount against the credit line. So this is how we enter a journal entry in the journal book. So I hope you understand. Okay friends, thank you for watching.